In this video I'm going to show you how I improved my lighting from this to this, which looks way better than before. So I wanted to make my YouTube backdrop lighting look a bit nicer, so I went and picked up some remote control LED strip lights that we're going to set up in this video. I'm going to try and put those strip lights around the area of shelving and see how it looks. But before you do that, if you just stumbled across my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 300 subs and we're nearly there. Oh, and also hit the like button. We're trying to aim for 10 likes on this video. So we're going to start off by opening this LED strip light. This is made by a company called Status, and it's a 5-meter tape strip light that has 150 LEDs, and it uses like an infrared remote to control it. And I paid about £20 for this. Not doing so well. Have a look what's inside. So that's the box, get rid of that. So in this bag are the strip lights themselves. In this smaller box we've got the remote control that you can use to control the lights, I presume. And then the kind of receiver. And then there's another box that has the power cable in. So this is the desk area that features at the back of my YouTube videos. And I'm planning on putting the strip light along the top of here and down there so that it lights up this area of wall here, which I think will look quite nice. And this will be in the back of my YouTube videos, so we're going to do that. Before we do that, I'm actually going to have some of my coffee. I'm going to start off by opening up the strip lights. So this is the same as all strip lights I've had before. They kind of come in this reel, and you just got to take that little bit of tape off. And there we go. Just unwind it, and it comes with. So on one side it's got all the LEDs, and on the other side we have got some adhesive. Yes, it's just a case of sticking the adhesive to the top of that shelf and making sure the receiver's in a good place so that the remote control will always pick it up. So I'm going to start over here in that corner, the back corner, and then run it along the back and then to the front of this shelf, and then along the front, and then to the back again, and then down the side of this cabinet. Because we have got 5 meters of this. Yeah, that comes off quite nicely. So I quite like these ones that I've picked up, because previously when I've had these lights, the LEDs have been exposed, whereas this is all covered in like a rubber. So I have got to a corner, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this. Right, we've got to change of plan. We're actually going to put it up over the top. There we go, they're going along the top now. I'm going to put them behind here. I think that'll work. Once we've gone along this shelf here, we're going to put it behind this shelf here. See how that looks. We've still got another couple of meters of this stuff. So I'm actually going to have it running along the back of my desk, kind of along. Yeah, it's not going to be very neat, but as long as it lights up the back of the video, it's good enough for me. This is harder than I thought it would be. This down the back of this unit here. Cool. Actually, I think we're going to go along the top of the desk as well. Make it fold back on itself. Well, that's perfect length actually. Yeah, I really should have dusted my desk. It's not sticking so well. So it's not the neatest job, and I probably should have dusted my desk because I didn't realise how dusty the back of my desk was, but it starts kind of all the way up there and goes along and then along the top of this unit to the end, and then down the back of that unit, and then this is a bit of a sketchy bit, but it kind of attaches along the bottom of this desk. And then it folds over and goes along the top. So hopefully this is enough light to kind of light up this area here which was the initial plan. So we've got the receiver that we just need to attach up here. I've popped the receiver behind this unit with a little bit of the antenna kind of poking out. It's not the neatest thing, but it should work. We've got the remote. We're going to unbox the remote. It's not the longest power lead. Into the receiver. So this is how I've done it. I've attached the receiver and I'm just going to tuck it behind this unit here. It's not the neatest thing in the world. And then we've got the power cord. We're just going to have to find somewhere to plug it in down there possibly. Cool, so I've tried to close the blind and turn all my lights off. And this is what it looks like, and I am actually very happy with it. I'm going to try and hide that power cable a little bit better. But yeah, I think this looks pretty good as a kind of YouTube background. So I'm quite happy with that. We're going to have just a mess around with some of the colours. Oh, that's very cool. Try red, that's orange. Is that yellow? What's this? What else can it do? Make it green, blue, purple. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That looks pretty cool. And I think it will make the background of my YouTube videos look even better. So I already think this looks very cool, but we've got one last thing to test out, which is this LED bulb. So we're just going to have a look inside this bulb that I bought. So this is by a brand called Lola, and it's a 6-watt bulb. So yeah, let's open it up, see what's inside. Oh, so it comes with a remote control. That is a much more fancy remote than I expected. Yeah, it just comes with some instructions and then it's got the bulb inside. And then, yeah, we're just going to pop this bulb inside this lamp. The shape of this bulb isn't meant for this lamp. It works and it is quite bright. So annoyingly, I don't have batteries for this remote, but it says you can download an app on your phone. So I've basically just given my light bulb my email address. So this is about 20 minutes later. It took me 20 minutes to try and connect to that bulb. It's harder than it looks. And it involved me having to set up a hotspot for my phone and then using the app on my tablet, which is a bit annoying. So I'm going to switch to my prime lens and we're going to try and get the lighting how I want it and see how it looks. I decided to go for a blue background and I think it looks really good. One thing to note is the lamp I got and the bulb. I don't think it's as bright as I would have liked. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Hopefully this has been enjoyable and I'll see everyone in my next video.